In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to look up an NYC ticket by plate number. If you're missing a parking or camera ticket number, the easiest way to find it is by using New York City's official Department of Finance tools. This is helpful if you want to check whether your vehicle has any open violations, confirm the details of a ticket, or get the information you need before making a payment. Start by going to the official NYC parking or camera tickets page on nyc.gov. Once you're there, choose the option to search using your license plate. To complete the lookup, you'll need to enter your plate number, the state where the plate was issued, and the plate type. After that, the system can show any open violations connected to that vehicle. Make sure you enter the vehicle information carefully. A small typo in the plate number, the wrong state, or an incorrect plate type can keep the system from finding the ticket you need. If nothing appears at first, it's a good idea to double check the details and try again. If you prefer using your phone, you can also use the NYC Pay or Dispute app. This gives you another convenient way to search for tickets by plate number. The app can also store your vehicle information, which can save time later if you need to check again or handle future violations. It's especially useful if you want to manage everything from one place without going back to the website each time. Once you've pulled up the violation number, the next step is choosing how you want to pay. If you want to pay online, you can use NYC CityPay for parking tickets. Payment options include an electronic check, which does not have a fee, as well as credit or debit card, which typically includes a 2% fee. PayPal and Venmo are also available, and those may also include a 2% fee. If you're using the mobile app, you can make your payment there as well. In the app, you can usually choose to pay by e-check with no fee, or by debit or credit card for a quick and simple checkout experience. If you would rather pay by mail, write your license plate number and the violation number on your check or money order. Then mail it to the NYC Department of Finance at P.O. Box 3645, 5 New York, NY 10083645. That's all it takes to look up an NYC ticket by plate number and choose the payment method that works best for you.